Oh fuck. Whoa! Right. Look at this geezer. What are you doing? Are you stealing beers? Alright, mate. Wait, fuck you, dog. This is tough. Now this I froth. You got remote.
Just pull the wheels off and clean.
Yo, I haven't heard these at all actually.
That's a real engine there, boys.
Oh,
Sucking on my bit.
It's a fresh one. Hop. Hasn't touched there before. Usually touches here.
Watch talk, mate. Any fucking movie.
That's it.
Yeah, I had it on. Big VB!
BB, why the fuck are you drinking BB?
No, it's can't. Jesus. I'm doing a burnout, Aaron.
Are you doing it in the 180?
No, it's
Oh, move your 180 and I'll do it in the 15 as well.
Oh.
Piss your own pants, sir.
Aaron, I lost my Sylvia key. Oh, that wouldn't be like ethanottaway to lose his fucking key.
It's lost forever.
It's gone.
It's gone.
Disappeared. Teleported.
You do, you steal his keys and you make a spare set. So then you always have his keys. So then when he goes off looking, you just get in his car and you drive it off.
That's smart actually. How many times does that cunt lose his keys on?
Every fucking weekend.
You just don't give him that key, you know
I'll
what I
steal
mean?
the car, I'll take it.
Yeah, just take the car, bring it here.
He'll come back and it'll be on bricks and the wheels will be gone.
Look at that, mate. It's fucking pink. This
What we're gonna have to do is.
Cunt is doing it properly. Holy
Why is your shirt off now?
It's fucking hot!
I want to do it all at once. I don't know how to spell ingenuity.
I do.
Ryan!
Right.
Let's go.
Are you okay with this? Yeah. Cool. I wouldn't be.
Oh yeah! A genuine Sil 26 bottle open. Wow.
Hey, can we go for another rip down the street?
Highway patrol.
Hold LTR there and you'll fucking turn left, right?
Whole lot of rambunctious activities going on right now.
Yeah, doggy.
Like this nice primer job at Jet England.
No doors. No doors.
I'm doing that dog.
Yeah! Drop it away!
Nearly there, boilies.
Let's go. Dig that shit, boy.
Why are you doing it here instead of back there? Too many routes apparently.
Bring your mum.
Will that be enough? Northway Building Company.
Whoa. 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 Whoa.
I would have taken the head, bro. My car's a hard body. It's in the main, bro. It's hard.
It's hard here, boy.
AF body.
Yeah, boy.
Whoa!
Push.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Quick reload. Fun for the whole family.
Yes, sir.
Not the concrete, alright, I'm just to fuck with.
With beers.
Never research money.
Good footage, bro. Yeah, boy. Let's go.
Can you film?
Yeah, I'll film. Fucking Jesus Christ! Holy fucking Jesus!
You're covered in mud, bro.
Am I?
Yeah.
Am I? What's up, bros?
Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, boy Lee! Woohoo! Yeah, and my Daihatsu.
Pull that shit, boys. I'm still there. All of your right eye. Working class man.
Hey, if I can give him one of these. Yeah, boy Lee!
Your face, bro.
Why? What's wrong with it?
You got shit all over your face, bro.
What's up?
Yeah, the boilies. Shenanigans, mate. Shenanigans.
A little bit of fucking shenanigans.
Got gold on. Must be expensive.
Yeah, fuck.
Bitch ass.
Oh, that was good. Bit of dirt, bit of action, bit of limmy, bit of boof, bit of Northway, bit of Northway. Cheers, boys! And there's no rain, so pretty good.
Yours, babies, a little ghost hand.
Oh, that was a ghost baby hand on my fucking 180. I think drawing contest. To judge them or something.
Yeah.
Who's up?
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna keep that on there. Yeah, I went to
Oh, right around it. It's an abstract deck.
In one of these.
Got the damn my parents.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, sign the camera like the celebrities do. The rest of Why
Full
is
fix.
it like? Who's next?
Now, this man has handled some cocks, I'll tell you that.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah, he wants to win this competition at his own bar.
Where's the guy that the cock belongs to? Yeah.
Is that big? You can't see.
Here's miniature. Give him one of these.
Boy! Doesn't look like it, but that's supposed to be the halo.
Whoa, what the fuck, bro?
You're kidding! What am I?
I'm just gonna
fuck it.
clear coat over it. No pressure for the cock. Right, that's what I'm talking about.
Girthy motherfucker.
Oh, alright, then the dude that it belongs to.
Yes, sir. How you gonna draw yourself?
There's his neck too. Jack, draw a cock.
You wanna see a cock?
Fantastic work, my friend.
Rocket ship, my guy.
We need more dicks on this car.
And sharp, you know.
What do you reckon? Two big knobs here.
Feels natural. All you boys are coming out. Know the weather wasn't on our side, but the vibes were. Not really good at this, but yes, you are. The Covenant Big Cock Award. It's a very prestigious award, I find, and it just embodies the big dick in all of us. And
Yes, sir.
I think we can all agree that Aaron Ritchie deserves it.
Yeah, wank off.
He was stressing about doing skits in his own yard, but I'd like to thank everyone.
Yes, sir.
The next one will be a lot bigger. Hopefully at Youngborough or Gillette.
What the cock of the event?
Both. You'll find out later.
Cheers, Az.